Yo, I got 7 ways you can earn some extra cash for Christmas. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you are somebody looking for some extra cash so you can get some of them Christmas gifts, you are watching the right video. All right, we're going to jump straight into it. The first way you can earn some extra cash for Christmas is by using a website called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is in certain cities, but they're in a lot of the major cities. So all you gotta do when you go to the site is just check your area, and most likely there is a city that is close to you. Now, TaskRabbit is a place where you can go and you can get paid for doing certain jobs. For example, somebody might need you to help them move something, right? So you can find that job on TaskRabbit and say, hey, I'm willing to do that, and it shows you how much money you can make. You can make, you might make $40 per hour for doing certain tasks. So it just really depends on what you can do, right? What you're willing to do, and you can easily earn some extra cash just by doing a few gigs a week on TaskRabbit. Now, another way you can earn some extra cash for Christmas is by completing offers. Now, I talked about completing offers in another video where I said, look, completing offers will not get you rich, but it can put a couple extra $100 in your pocket. So when it comes to completing offers, basically it's when you try out a business, product, or services in return for cash. So you can go to sites like Cash Kick is a very popular site for completing offers. You can also go to Swag Bucks, and you can check out Inbox Dollars. You join one of these sites and you'll click on a complete offer section. You'll see offers like try Netflix out for 60 days and get paid $15, or sign up with this credit card and get $50, or try this free trial with some whatever, get paid $75, right? So you can do 5 to 10 offers and easily earn a couple $100. But here is something that is super important if you decide to complete offers. All right, whenever you do any free trials, all right, because there's a lot of them out there and you can make some money, but whenever you do free trials, make sure that you write down the dates that this trial will expire, because if you do not cancel whatever that free trial was, in most cases you're just automatically going to be rebilled. But as long as you cancel whatever the subscription is or whatever before that free trial is up, you're good to go. You can still earn the money that you was promised, and you will not be billed. Now, another way you can earn some extra cash for Christmas, and this could actually turn into a lot of money, and that's by selling holiday themed arts and crafts on Etsy. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you probably heard of Etsy. It's very, very popular, and a lot of people are actually making full-time incomes selling things on Etsy. So you might be thinking, dude, arts and crafts, like, bro, I don't know how to make arts and crafts. I'm not into that. Well, if you're not into that, maybe you know somebody who is into that, and if you cool with that person and you're willing to maybe cut them in on some action, you guys could work together. If you're willing to actually be the person that list things and create the account and handle all the technical stuff, if you can actually work with somebody to actually create the arts and crafts, you could be good to go. So this is another dope ass option. This next one is something that I actually see people looking for all the time, and that is being a pet sitter, especially during the holiday season where a lot of people are traveling, whether it be for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. People are traveling, and a lot of times they cannot take their pets with them for whatever reason. This is where you can help these people out. So all you gotta do is pretty much in your mind, set your own rates. How much are you gonna charge to pet sit, right? And obviously if it's something where somebody going out of town overnight, obviously you could charge more than if somebody was just going out of town for, like, just say the day, right? So this is something that you could figure out, but you can easily promote this by, first of all, word of mouth, right? Just start telling people, hey, if you're going out of town, if you know anybody going out of town, if they need somebody to watch their pets, let me know. or you can post it on your Facebook, your actual profile page, or you can post it in like local buy, sell, and trade like groups, things like that. Now I'm sure if you do this, you will get some responses. Now another thing that you can do to earn some extra cash for Christmas is offering decorating services, right? Check this out. You can promote the same way you did with the pet sitting, right? Let people know, hey, if you need help, especially like maybe like elderly people or stuff like that, this might be good for, but hey, offer your services to be able to like decorate the house, whether it be hanging up Christmas lights, putting up a Christmas tree, putting out decorations outside in the yard or even in the house. This is the way that you can earn some extra cash, especially if you do multiple houses and you charge, $50 here, $100 there. That money will add up. Now, maybe you heard of this next one. Maybe you haven't, but if you got a car that you're not going to be using a lot, you can actually rent it out on a website called Turo. Now this is a dope way to earn some extra cash because during the holidays, a lot of people are traveling. And sometimes people that normally don't need a car, maybe they do need a car because they want to go out of town and they want to drive or whatever, and they need to rent a car, right? And that's where you can rent your car out and earn some nice extra cash. Now, if you got skills as a writer, a graphic designer, or a web developer, you can earn some extra cash doing freelance work. All right, so you got any of these skills, what you want to do is go to websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. You want to create a profile, a good profile, right? And let people know what kind of services you offer. Now you might be thinking, whoa, I don't do no graphic design. You know what I'm saying? I hate writing. I don't want to do none of that. I don't even know how to build a website. Well, if you look on these sites, you can find other types of gigs, such as making phone calls for people or even emailing people. So there's most likely something that you can do that you can offer on these freelance sites. Now, these 7 things are great for earning some extra cash for Christmas. But if you want to know how I make money every single month, you want to click that first link in the description.